Hi, this is Shawn Martinez with Red Art Design. Today I'm doing an opening video of a new t-shirt design that I just did, and let's take a look. Yeah, turned out real nice. I like the quality, really like the coloring. Everything turned out the way as expected. So yeah, this is a Glydian t-shirt, and this size happens to be XL. This t-shirt is called The Wolf, and as you can see right there on the bottom of the right hand t-shirt right there. Get yours today at radartdesign.com. They are available, and thanks for watching. See you next time.